No, my life's not perfect. I don't really like my friends.
Yeah, I don't really like your friends either.
I think I'm gonna scream. Thoughts are overwhelming. Even back here in my dreams, I just can't escape them. Mirror stares back at me. Freaking band shirt so unclean. Mop of hair dark so curly. That reflection's gonna scream. That face makes me wanna sleep. Been 5 years and I still feel dead, but I think I know what's missing. I ran away, called you out on blame. Now I think I know what's missing. Centered on myself, I should've got some help, but I thought that you guys saved me. I wanna go back, catch up in the sack, but I know that it's a dead dream. Scarlet, don't hurt me. You know that I'm coming clean. I lost my heart, my family. School crushed, maimed, and now I'm free. And I still run back. Locked in your room, I cannot scream. Trapped in your heart, I cannot leave. Gonna find a place to leave. I think I miss your feeling. Been 5 years and I still feel dead, but I think I know what's missing. I ran away, called you out on blame. Now I think I know what's missing. Centered on myself, I should've got some help, but I thought that you guys hated. I wanna go back, catch up in the sack, but I know that it's a dead dream. You really played me good, leaving you misunderstood. I should have known to trust you.
Oh my God. I can't believe it. I just killed my best friend.
And your worst enemy.
Same difference.
In the years that have gone by since I last saw you, they pierce and they bleed, and there is no more old you. Asked if you thought that you really loved me. Smiled, then frowned, and then turned to the red screen. It's in a game, I still think that I miss you. I know you still check me, I think it's still cute. So hey, if the world was to be gone tomorrow, wanna say hi one last time. Into the life that I'm missing. Call me a failure, call me a reject, but I've got my dreams and you've got nothing to it. Could never know what it is that you wanted, and that makes me wonder, could I have been a real friend? Feel like a piece of shit. Stand outside your door, couldn't take a hit. And you're still okay with everything she said. Can't put up with it.
monsters or something.
I feel everything.